Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Joanne from XOXO Designs by Joanne, and I want to do a quick project with you. It's been a while since I've been on. I have not been feeling very crafty lately. I have been back at school trying to finish up my degree, so I just have not been in the crafting zone. But I did want to make something for the upcoming 4th of July holiday, and I had this board that I got from Target back around Christmas time, and it had some ribbon on it, and you were supposed to put cards in it, but it was way too small for cards. But I knew there was something I could do with it, so I thought it would be a perfect background for a 4th of July craft. I picked this up at Home Goods. It was $4.99, and it was 40% off, and it has a little stand so it could stand like that, but I wanted to use it differently. I'm going to put it onto the board. So I will take the back stand off. And then I took this out from the Easter holiday from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take off the metal and I'm going to add it as a design to my project. So let's get started. This is really a simple project. You're just taking different items and putting them together. I'm going to just rip off the back, and hopefully I could just twist it off. There we go. Okay. And I'm just using a pair of wire cutters and just getting that off, because what you want it to lay flat, so you want to get that down. Okay. Okay. So now I'm just going to pull apart the metal from there, which comes off very easily. And I'm going to use that on my project. Okay, so I'm just taking this piece off. Again, very simply, it just peels right off. And I'll put this aside for another project. So you have your board, and if you didn't have a red board, you could just take any kind of board. You can use this and paint it if you wanted to, and use this as your board. But since I had this wood already painted red, it was perfect for what I wanted to do. So right now all I'm going to do is take my hot glue gun, and I'm going to hot glue the metal design to my project. And I'm going to put a fair amount of glue on here so it stays. Okay, so I'm just going to eyeball this where I want it. Try to center it. And just adding some pressure. Okay, and any of the hot glue that comes out from underneath it, you could just pull off like that. Just comes off quite easily. Okay, and now I'm just going to take the metal that was on the dollar store picture, and I'm going to just add my hot glue. Center it where I want it. Okay. And now I'll do the bottom one. Again, just hot gluing it. Very simple, just using some of the craft supplies I had around to make something for the upcoming 4th of July holiday. Okay. Press it down. Okay, and here is my patriotic sign that I have from my house. I repurposed something I bought at Target back in December, this board for $3. The metal sign I got at Hobby Lobby for $4.99 and 40% off. And the metal decoration I got off of a Dollar Tree sign. So that's it. Use what I had around, and I wanted to add a little something more for the upcoming holiday, and I will keep this around probably all summer. So if you enjoyed this project, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for more DIYs. Bye!